Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter lemon chicken. First, pat your chicken pieces completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve that perfect golden brown sear. Next, season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Then carefully place the chicken in the hot pan and sear for 3 to 4 minutes per side until beautifully browned. Once your chicken is seared, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now, it's time to build that incredible lemon butter sauce. Reduce the heat to medium, then add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the same pan, letting it melt completely. Stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, pour in 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. With your flavorful sauce ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully return the seared chicken pieces to the pan, nestling them into the lemon butter sauce. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then cover the pan and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked through and tender. Before serving, sprinkle with some fresh chopped parsley for a burst of color and freshness. This butter lemon chicken is incredibly versatile and pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides. We love serving it over fluffy white rice or a bed of al dente pasta to soak up all that amazing sauce. It's a simple yet elegant dish perfect for any weeknight or special occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy this fantastic meal, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.